Congratulations, Facebook monetization part 1 video is here. Okay, I promise to teach you how to monetize your Facebook. If you're a Facebook lover, or maybe you're a social media lover, you scroll on internet, maybe Facebook, TikTok and all those stuffs, and you don't know how to make money with it. This is an opportunity for you to use Facebook, because Facebook is one of the largest social media platform in the world, and it has a lot of active users, but most people use it for content. There are a lot of content creators that you see on Facebook, but they are making money. You just think they're vibing, but they are making money. So now this video covers you making money by just posting memes. I'm going to teach you how to post meme. Even if you are not creating, you don't know how to create video, you don't want to show your face, I've created a 6-minute video that is going to guide you on how to do that, and it's absolutely free. You are not paying for this video. Okay, it is the part 1 video on how to monetize your Facebook. You are learning it in this video. Yes, in this video you'll be learning that in this video. Okay, now everything is ready, it's prepared, but make sure that you engage with my channel. It is very important. Turn on notification button so that whenever I post, you will be the first person to see the notification and get access to it. Okay, now in this billionaire circle, remember I promised that we are here to help ourselves, to support ourselves, to make sure that we are not wasting data but using our smartphone wisely. And that smartphone can really change your life, because it has really changed mine too. Okay, make sure you share this channel link, this video link, to all your friends and family. Let them get access to my channel so that they will be learning, because I'm willing to give you nothing but the best, value overloaded. Okay, this YouTube channel is not like any other channel. Whatever I say, I do it, and you get even more than that. I'm not a philanthropist. I don't give out cash. I don't dash people money. Okay, but I'll teach you how to make money by yourself independently, and it's really going to help you. So let's proceed. Welcome to the beginner's guide to Facebook monetization. Here you are going to learn how to turn your Facebook into money making machine. I'm very honest with you, if you are going to take this very serious, you'll be making money online with your Facebook like Facebook, with posting memes. Okay, now let's move ahead. What is Facebook monetization? Facebook monetization simply means the different ways you can make money from your content, your audience, or business activities on Facebook. Do you understand? Facebook monetization kind of look difficult for people, but something that is very simple. Do you understand? In this video, I'll be showing you what you need and how to get started from right now. These are the step-by-step guide you need to get started. Number 1, you create a professional page, which I know that you must have your Facebook page, or turn your normal Facebook to professional page. Use ChatGPT to teach you how to create a professional Facebook page, or turn your Facebook to a professional Facebook page. You are going to create a Facebook page, then you add your profile picture, you add your cover photo, you put a nice biography and your contact info, so that people will be able to reach you if they're interested in your content. Okay, this step 2, monetization options. The monetization options is through the in-stream ads. There's what we call the in-stream ads. While you are done, you are going to see all that in your Facebook page account. You are going to see all the options, the in-stream ad, the stars. Fans paying you through stars. Fans, they can pay you through stars once you start going viral, once your content start getting engagement. And also reel plays. Your reels plays will get you bonuses like money, and also fan subscribing to your page will also get you money. And also you are going to be receiving brand deals. You understand? When they like your page, brands will be coming for deals, for promotion, and they'll be paying you. I hope you understand. Step 3, all you require for you to start getting paid are your eligibility requirements. Okay, now you need 10,000 followers, and you need 600,000 watch minutes last 60 days. Then follow monetization policies. Now concerning this 10,000 followers, do not panic. Even if you start for 0, just a video or 2 videos can get you more than that. Just one viral video can get your page monetized. So if you are talking about monetization, it is about your work. You will not just open a Facebook page and just get it monetized. No. You are going to do what? Put in the work, and I'll tell you the straight direct thing you need to be doing this video for you to start getting the result you want. You know, Rome wasn't built in a day. This is a business. This is a financial freedom setting. This is something you are setting up that will pay you for life. Once it start paying you, it can't stop paying you. Okay, so you need 10,000 followers, 600,000 watch minutes in the last 60 days. Then if you follow the monetization policy, so let's move forward. Now this is step 4. You grow your page fast, and these are the steps on how to grow your page fast. You post 2 to 3 reels daily. On this thing that I'll be showing you, on the practical one, I will show you the place you are going to be getting reels, how to simply edit them with CapCut or on the Facebook ad. On the Facebook app, I will show you all that. Okay, but in this particular video, it can still get you results if you can do it by yourself. But on the practical one, yes, I'll be taking you step by step guide on how to do it, which I'll tell you how to get it. I hope you understand. Now, you post 2 to 3 reels daily. You use trending content. Okay, use trending content. You engage with comments. Okay, you engage with comments. Then you share in Facebook group. Very important. Then it's very important also you remove TikTok watermark. Look at this posting 2 to 3 daily. Like if you are posting like good information, I will tell you the type of information you be posting in the practical one. Now step 5, monetization. After you have got like your first viral video, you want to monetize. You don't need to go and call any professional to come and help you monetize your stuff. What you need to do is you open Meta Business Suits. Okay, then you go to monetization tab, then you add bank, PayPal, like you understand, you put your Meta Business Suits. I'll direct you practically on the other video so that you learn it step by step. Okay, then you add your bank, you add your PayPal, you add your bank account or your PayPal account. But as a Nigerian, you can even put your normal bank account. You don't need PayPal. Then you turn on ad and stars on your page. I will teach you how to do that. Step 6, you maximizing your earning. And these are the professional tips to maximize your earning. You focus on original content. And I will show you type of pages that are doing original content. Simple original content you too can be doing. You understand? Even if you don't want to show your face. So you mix shorts plus long videos. You understand? You sometimes put short, sometimes you put long videos. Not everything long, not everything short. Okay, then you be consistent. Very important. You could also collaborate with creators. It's gonna boost your page. Then you track your analytics. You check the video that's doing well. Those are the type of content you'll be posting. So let's move ahead. You are already to monetize your Facebook. This is fine now. If you start posting now, you start to grow your page. Definitely you are going to get paid. So this is the end of this video. Okay, I just hope you are going to put in the work and start doing the necessary things so that you can start getting your page monetized. Monetization is gradual process. It's not just immediately. And once you receive that monetization notification, you are blessed for life. So watch out for my next video. Facebook money is sweet. You can earn nothing less than $500 to over $5,000 using Facebook monetization. Good luck and congratulations to you. Bye for now. Amazing stuff. Yes, I know that you love that video. Congratulations to you. Now it's not just about knowing something. If you really want to get good results, amazing result, get your page, your Facebook page monetized, you have to start implementing immediately. As you wait for the part 2 of this video, make sure you are implementing, because the part 2 is going to break everything down. Like, I'm going to explain everything. Make sure you stay glued. Any other information, I will make sure I share here. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you love the video and you enjoy yourself, make a comment and make sure you share to your loved ones. Bye.